In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of your PDF document. So as you can see on the screen, here is my PDF document. Now to go and change the background, we first need to go and convert this into a Word document. So just go and open up an internet browser and head over to the website google.com. Now once you're signed into your Google account, click on this square icon in the top right hand side and then go and select Drive. From the top left, click on New and then select File Upload. You can then go and upload the PDF document that you want to add the background to. So once this is finished uploading, you'll see it in the bottom right hand side and you can just go and click on this to open the PDF. Now we need to open this in Google Documents. So you can do that by clicking Open in the top right hand side and then pressing Google Docs. Now that's going to convert your PDF document into an editable Word doc. So what you can do now is click on File in the top left hand side. You can scroll down to Page Setup. And here you can go and change the page color and then just press OK. Now, if you want a custom background, say you wanted an image or something like that, then you can just go and press Insert, click on Image, click on Upload from Computer, and then you can go and upload the image that you want as your PDF background. Obviously, once you have your image on the page like this, you'll need to go and set this to behind text, and then you can go and drag it and also resize it on the page like this. Now, once you've finished adding your background, we now need to convert this back into a PDF. So you can do that by clicking File, click on Download, and then just press PDF Document. And as you can see, that will re-download this back as a PDF. So you can just click on this downloaded file in the top right hand side. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.